So I'm missing that white leg. See if some conduit going right here. I'm gonna go and see if their breaker may be on that side over there. Hey, folks, let me give you the rundown on this one right here. My phone died. But anyway, I came here and the people wasn't here. They said they was at the hospital, but they'll be back. And when the phone shut off, I was trying to trace where the breaker box was. But anyway, the breaker box is in the garage, so I told them I was gonna have to come back when they get here. So now I'm back, but anyway, her daughter blowing up my office phone saying that that I can't hear when nobody wasn't here, and now the whole left side of the house don't have power. And so I don't know what kind of fiasco this finna be here. Let me see. Stay back from the hospital. I want to grab my flashlight real quick.
I'm coming.
All right. I want to grab my flashlight. And then the daughter, I spoke with her daughter though. She's talking about I'm gonna warn you because there's a car in front of the breaker box. You might have to climb over it. Mom was gonna tell them they need to get somebody else. They probably gonna need an electrician though. They said her mama climbed over the door. Hi, I'm here to troubleshoot your AC unit.
We've lost half the power in the house.
Oh yeah, yeah. It might be an electrical problem because I'm not getting power out there at the unit out there. I want to check the breaker.
Okay.
And just see if there's something going on at the breaker.
Okay.
Yeah.
My daughter said she told you you have to climb over the car.
Yeah, she told me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've flipped them off and on.
Mm-hmm. Need change of filters.
Okay.
Okay. That's it right there?
Yes.
Okay. Trying to see if I can see if something tripped in there. Don't look like nothing tripped. Yeah, you might. You flipped them on and off since you've been back?
Yes.
And nothing come on? Yeah, you probably gonna need an electrician.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Yeah. During the storm, did anything happen?
No.
When you lose power last night when there was lightning?
Not that we were aware of.
Yeah, because all these, ain't none of these tripped. This my AC right here. This one here. Yeah, we're gonna need an electrician. Because ain't none of these tripped.
Yeah.
And if we lost power to the side of the house, it's gonna be, that's what it's gonna be. I took that disconnect off outside. I'm gonna put it back on.
Okay.
And when the electrician do come here, it should turn right back on. Let me take a picture of this breaker panel.
Okay. Yeah, I've been climbing over this car. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. That's why you put the tiles here?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a charger.
Okay. All right. Try not to bend it up. All right. So like I said, all I did was took a disconnect off.
Uh-huh.
And I wanted to come and check it. I'm going to put that back in and see if anything gonna happen, but I doubt if anything happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah, what side of the house? Yeah, I'm going to take a look in the attic also.
Okay.
But let me go and put that breaker back in real quick.
Okay.
All right. I'll be back.
You can go to the back door.
Okay.
Bit of a mess. Like everything is around here. thing flies come in.
Yeah, all right. Clean up back here. Flies won't come in. Yeah, all I did was turn the disconnect around. I want. That's all I did. That ain't gonna. I ain't gonna put no power back to the house. That's all I did. Seemed like they probably had problems with this before. They ran a PVC right there. Ain't no telling what's going on inside somewhere. I'll take a peek in the attic and see if I see anything. But ain't none of them breakers trip.
That helped.
That helped? It came back on?
Lights.
Wow. I wonder how they got that wired up then. Because this connect shouldn't be connected to that. I'm gonna go take a look in the attic.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go to that.
That's weird, folks. It's up to 68. I don't know why that disconnect outside hooked up all that. All right, let's see here. It says calling for cool. Might get my tool bag and just see what's going on. Cause I'm missing one leg of power. Oh man, not today, folks. They're gonna have to get electricity. See it give me power. See if I can get 240 out there. Cause I would do it too, man, but I can't get to the damn thing. You know what I'm saying? I'll take that off and see if go to Home Depot and give them a break or something, but I can't get to it. Garage door problem, no ain't open. Shit. So I'm gonna pop this a couple times. Yeah, you need electricity. I don't know why the rest of the lights hooked up to that. Yeah, I turned it on and turned it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're gonna need an electrician though.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna write it up. You can call them and see if they can expedite somebody out here.
I think my daughter has. Okay. What is a disconnect?
That's the little thing outside that hooks up to the AC unit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's just a pull-out disconnect though. It's not a breaker. The breaker is right here, and they got the AC breakers hooked up to the lights and all that.
Uh-huh.
Electrician need to get in there and figure out what's going on, because these lights up in here, or half of the house shouldn't be hooked up to the AC unit. AC unit should have its own independent breaker.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and submit the work order.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Y'all have a good one. Yeah, folks, I can't do nothing with that one right there. And like I say, her daughter was kind of getting an attitude with me, saying that I done messed something up. You know, I just pulled that disconnect. I don't know why. Let me show you. Cause before my camera died, dog, I came around. I was gonna trace this. See, that comes from that disconnect, and it goes inside there. I don't know why all the other lights and stuff hooked up to that. But it seems like this right here supposed to be on too, though. I don't know what they got going on.